Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys in my YouTube channel. Guys, today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting, and today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone with Wi-Fi setting, how to pair Wi-Fi network in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to pair Wi-Fi network on your Infinix mobile. So friends, how to pair Wi-Fi network one by one, step by step, friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. So friends, click on your Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting, guys, first of all on your Wi-Fi. After on Wi-Fi, guys, refresh your Wi-Fi setting. After refresh Wi-Fi setting, friends, you want to add any network on your Infinix mobile. So friends, click here add network. After add network, friends, you can connect network on your device. So friends, I have this Mukesh network and I will enter this Mukesh network Wi-Fi password. After enter password, friends, you want to check your Wi-Fi password. So you can check your password, and friends, you can copy and you can save this password. Copy. And again friends, you can see you want to cut. Again direct click here. You can enter password, connect option. And guys, after 4 and 5 seconds, Wi-Fi network will connect on our device. Connected, and friends, we can use this Wi-Fi network on Infinix mobile. So friends, you want to on YouTube app, so you can on YouTube app and you can use it. So like that friends, we can connect Wi-Fi network and we can use on Infinix mobile. And friends, again click here Wi-Fi setting. Friends, you want to disconnect this Wi-Fi network. If you disconnect, friends, Wi-Fi will disconnect, you cannot use YouTube app. Friends, you can see we are offline. And friends, if you swipe here, friends, you can see second last option, saved network. If you click here, so friends, you can check your Wi-Fi saved network and click here, and direct friends, you can connect network again without any password. Friends, you can see network will connect, and guys, now we are online, back online again. Friends, we can use it. And once you want to share this Wi-Fi network, so friends, click here share option nearby device. Then you can share Wi-Fi network. Friends, if you click forget option, after forget, friends, you cannot use this Wi-Fi network again on your device. If you use, so friends, again enter password, then friends, you can connect. And friends, you want to join any Wi-Fi network with QR code, so you can join Wi-Fi network with QR code. Scan QR code and you can connect Wi-Fi network. Friends, Wi-Fi data uses you want to check, so you can check Wi-Fi data uses. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends understood how to use Wi-Fi setting, how to pair Wi-Fi network in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.